All right, let's look at 2, 3, 4, and 5. It says, tell the sum of the measures of the interior angles of the following shapes. So, what do all the angles inside these shapes add up to? Number 2, it says an octagon. Now, an octagon is an 8-sided shape. I've actually drawn one on here for us. So, we want to know what all the angles in here add up to. Well, we probably know the formula, but let's look at where the formula comes from. So, we have this 8-sided shape. If I draw a line from here across, I've created a triangle, and all three angles here add up to 180 degrees. And I can go from that same vertex over to here, and now that angle, that remaining bit of that angle, and there add up to 180. And I can do this all the way across, and so those would be another 180. Down here would be another 180, and finally, you would have 180 here and 180 here. So you would have, when it's an 8-sided shape, an octagon, you'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles inside it. We realize that you're always going to have two less than the number of sides. So the formula is take the number of sides, take away 2, because that's how many triangles will be in there, and multiply by 180. So for an octagon, 8 sides, take away 2 times 180. Because again, there's going to be 6 triangles, as you and I can see in the picture. And then 6 times 180 is 1,080 degrees. For a quadrilateral, there's 4 sides, so we'll do 4, take away 2, times 180, which is 2 times 180, 360. And we could have drawn any quadrilateral, 90, 90, 90, 90 with that shape. 90 times 4 is 360, but you can see, hey, yeah, I know my answer is correct. Pentagon, 5 sides is a pentagon, take away 2 times 180. So that's 3 times 180, which is 540. And finally, a decagon. How many sides is that? That's 10. Take away 2 times 180, and that is 144, 0, just like 12 times 12. So 8 times 180 is 1,440. A decagon has that many. All the angles inside of a decagon add up to 1,440. Here's problems 2 through 5.